Refrigeration is crucially important, but has, in the past, resulted in high greenhouse gas emissions, contributing to global warming. In the 1980s, the transition was made from CFCs to HFCs, resulting in more environmentally friendly refrigeration. However, HFCs were found to have very high global warming potential, or GWP, compared to natural refrigerants. UN commitments and European regulations are now phasing down harmful HFCs, putting pressure on food retailers to quickly adopt clean cooling. Considering natural refrigerants, retailers today have two primary solutions that offer safe, sustainable refrigeration with a lower environmental impact. These are CO2 and hydrocarbons such as propane. Some retailers have opted for remote CO2 systems as the architecture most closely resembles the HFC systems they replace. These use a remote compressor rack which circulates the CO2 refrigerant and is typically housed in the store's machine room. Long pipes fitted throughout the store then transfer the high-pressure refrigerant to chilled and frozen display cabinets. Propane cooling systems, however, known as R290, are the primary hydrocarbon alternative and are similar to a simple domestic refrigerator. Unlike remote CO2 systems, propane refrigeration does not require a separate machine room with a compressor rack, as the whole cooling process occurs within the refrigeration unit itself. Integral propane refrigeration is popular in bars and corner shops, used as bottle coolers, vending machines and ice cream freezers. Propane refrigeration can also provide the entire refrigeration needs of a supermarket, such as integrated display cases. For example, a water cooling loop can recirculate the heat generated by the refrigeration system to outside the store, even enabling heat recovery when connected to the store's HVAC system. The simpler propane refrigeration setup and reduced maintenance provides greater flexibility over the location of refrigeration systems, which may have a lifespan of up to 15 years. This is an important consideration for store remodeling. The price of legacy HFC refrigerants has already increased by up to 5 times since 2017, making the shift to natural refrigeration all the more beneficial for retailers now and in the future. Despite their differences, both propane and CO2 systems are viable natural alternatives to current centralized HFC systems.